Oracle Applications delivers integrated help, and it's available directly from within the user interface. This provides immediate access to help when you need it. Help is context-sensitive, meaning it's related to the UI page you're on and the task at hand. Let's go into an Oracle application and click the Help icon. Notice the window displays a list of relevant help topics. In this example, you want to create a self-service receipt. The help content provides all the information you need for the task you want to perform. You can watch a short video or follow the step-by-step instructions. The table of contents on the left displays related help topics that you can explore. In the current release, integrated help is not enabled by default. That is, the help icons do not automatically display on the UI pages. So now let's review the simple steps an administrator can take to display help icons by default. To ensure help icons are visible, administrators can set them to appear by default in all your offerings. Click the Settings and Actions menu at the upper right. Then select Setup and Maintenance. Select the Application Extensions functional area for your offering, and open the Set Help Options task. This setting applies to all users and all your offerings. You only need to set this default once. Now, let's confirm that the help icons are visible. First, you need to sign out, and then sign back in. Then go to a page. For example, Travel and Expenses. You'll notice the help icon is displayed by default. That's how easy it is to show help icons by default and get quick access to context-sensitive help.